Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome to my little corner of parent-powered play reviews. As a mom who loves finding toys that spark curiosity and bring the family together, I'm always on the hunt for projects that feel both doable and memorable. Today I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on the Made by Me Rescue Vehicles kit, a creative set that promises hands-on building, painting, and imagination-fueling fun for young explorers. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what caught my eye before we dive into the unboxing experience, how the kit fits into everyday routines, and why it might become a go-to activity for rainy afternoons or weekend gatherings. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore whether this affordable rescue-themed craft lives up to the buzz. As a mom who's always on the lookout for toys that blend fun with learning, I was excited to try the Made by Me Rescue Vehicles kit from Horizon Group USA. At $15, it promises a wooden craft set that lets kids build their own miniature rescue trucks, paint them, and then watch them roll across the living room floor. The kit arrives with all the pieces pre-cut, a set of non-toxic paints, and a small bottle of glue, so there's nothing extra to hunt down. It's marketed for 5-year-olds, which is exactly the age range my daughter and nephew fall into, and the wooden construction feels sturdy enough for rough play yet light enough for little hands to handle. From the moment I opened the box, I could see the bright colors of the paint and the sleek shape of the cars, hinting at a project that could keep kids engaged for hours. The moment the rain started that weekend, the rescue vehicle kit became the hero of our house. Instead of the usual screen time, I gathered the kids around the kitchen table and spread out the parts. The larger than expected size of each truck meant they were easy to grip, and assembling them turned into a family collaboration. My son helped hand me the wooden panels while my daughter eagerly chose which colors to use. After a quick paint session, we placed the finished vehicles on the patio to patrol the garden, and later slipped a few into our Easter basket surprise for the grandkids, who squealed with delight. I've even taken a couple to my niece's birthday party where the kids raced them down a makeshift ramp, turning a simple craft into a whole day of outdoor play. The kit fits naturally into rainy day activities, holiday gifts, and even spontaneous backyard games. What I love most about this set is how it encourages creativity without overwhelming a child. The instruction cards are written in clear, step-by-step language, and the illustrations are simple enough for a 5-year-old to follow, though a parent's hand is sometimes handy for the first few connections. The paint quality stands out. The colors are vibrant, spread smoothly, and dry quickly enough that the kids can handle their rescued trucks without smudging. Because the parts are all wooden, there's a satisfying click when the pegs slot into place, giving a sense of accomplishment even before the glue sets. The kit also includes a nice variety of vehicle designs: a fire truck, an ambulance, and a police cruiser, each big enough to be a standout toy but small enough to store on a shelf. This variety sparked my children's imaginations. They added stickers and even drew extra decals with markers, turning each vehicle into a personal story. On the flip side, the glue provided in the box can be a bit of a gamble. In my experience, a few of the tubes arrived almost dried out, leaving a thin film that didn't hold the larger panels securely on the first try. A quick dab of extra craft glue solved the problem, but it does mean an extra step for parents who hope the kit would be completely self-contained. Another minor hiccup is the drying time for the paint on the thicker wooden pieces. While the colors are brilliant, they can stay tacky for a while, so I had to keep the finished trucks out of the play area for an extra half hour. For families that prefer a fully seamless experience, keeping a spare bottle of good quality glue on hand and allowing a brief waiting period for the paint can make the process smoother. I'll never forget the night my daughter proudly displayed her painted fire truck on the windowsill beside our bird feeder. She told me the truck was on rescue duty for the sparrows, and we spent the next hour inventing little rescue scenarios, complete with siren sounds and pretend fire hoses. The kit also turned into a thoughtful activity for my older brother, who's dealing with early-stage dementia. The tactile assembly and familiar colors gave him a gentle mental workout, even if he needed a bit more assistance. Watching my kids collaborate, negotiate which color to use, and then proudly line up their finished vehicles for a traffic stop game reminded me how a simple wooden set can become a catalyst for storytelling, fine motor practice, and family bonding. Those moments are worth more than the price tag alone. All things considered, the Made by Me Rescue Vehicles kit offers a solid blend of hands on creativity, durable play value, and a dash of imagination fuel that feels rare at the $15 price point. While the glue can be hit or miss and the paint needs a little patience, the overall experience, from unboxing the smooth wooden pieces to watching the kids' faces light up as they roll their freshly painted trucks across the floor, outweighs those minor drawbacks. If you're looking for a craft that doubles as a lasting toy, fits well into rainy day plans, and encourages family participation, this set is a reliable pick. Just have a spare glue bottle on standby and a few minutes for paint drying, and you'll have a happy, busy household and a set of rescue vehicles that will likely become family favorites for years to come. Thanks for cruising through my review, fellow parents. If you enjoyed watching our little rescuers roll into action, give this video a thumbs up and hitch a ride by subscribing. Join our family-friendly crew for more hands-on projects that keep kids' imaginations racing. See you on the next adventure.